The Digitech Professional Caliper uses Bluetooth to communicate with instruments such as the Vertex 4 and the Vertex Laser. For inventory work, place the monopod plot staff in the plot center. Activate the transponder with the measuring instrument Vertex Laser and place the transponder on the plot staff. Use the marker on the lid to point at the first tree you are measuring. This way, it's easy to keep track of the measured trees. Measure the distance to the center. The Digitech Professional Caliper has patented foldable jaws, making it convenient to carry in the forest. The jaws are secured when folded. Measure and register diameters and any other relevant data of the trees within the plot radius.